Hey, to all of my queens, it's your girl Cat Styles here. For those of you who do not even know who I am, first of all, I am a YouTuber who focuses on affordable makeup and beauty products. If you guys are into that whole entire thing, you can go subscribe. But right now, I have to tell you guys that I am the owner of an apparel company. All of these designs are designed by me. It is made specifically for queens. If you are a queen and you look at my apparel, you will understand everything that is going on, okay? And I want to share it with you guys. And not only share it with you guys, I want to save some of your coins and give you guys a 10% off discount code. If you guys toss a little something in your shopping cart on my website and type in Cat Styles, you will get 10% off of your first purchase. Okay, sis, I know. I got you. I got my queens. And sis, we need to get your hands on that curly queen t-shirt so we can actually be twins. Official my own twin, okay? And again, thank you guys so much for watching this ad that bugged the internet. I love you guys. Mwah.